Are you gonna get dressed? You already have some pants on though. How many shirts do you have on? 2 shirts.
Help.
You need help?
Yeah.
What about your hat? Do you want to put a hat on? It's hard to put pants on when you already have pants on. Is it frustrating? Okay. Okay, I'll help you. Here, here. There. Ta-da! That's a t-shirt. Goes on top of your head. Over your head.
No, this is fit.
No, it's a shirt.
That's fit.
Put it on your head.
That's fit.
Okay.
Come on.
Are you getting frustrated? Well, it doesn't go on your feet, but if it did, you could put this. Okay, yeah. Start over.